Can I go out? Dad says yes, but I have to be back by 6 p.m. I wonder what's for dinner. Mom mentioned pasta, which sounds delicious. I really need help with my homework, so I'll ask my sister if she can assist me. Oh, where's my book? My brother says it's on the table. I can't wait for our family trip next weekend. I hope we can watch a movie later. My sister is always up for that. Speaking of my brother, he had a good day, and I might ask Dad for some money. He always says to spend it wisely. What time is it? Oh, noon already. I'll borrow my brother's phone for a bit. After lunch, we're going shopping, and I need to find my shoes by the door. I'll ask Mom to make me a sandwich too. Today's plan is to visit our grandparents, and I can invite my friend over later. I hope we have snacks in the kitchen. Bedtime is at 9 p.m., but I'll ask Mom for a story first. Dad's meeting was productive, and I'm excited to play a game with my sister. I need to find my jacket in the closet before we head to the park this afternoon. This weekend, we're going to the zoo. I'll ask my brother for help with my project, and I hope we have milk in the fridge for breakfast tomorrow. I wonder if I can stay up late tonight. Dad says no, but pancakes for breakfast sound worth it, and I'll definitely ask Mom to braid my hair before bed.